How to set up rows in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on Zoho Books. Now you want to head to the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to be clicking on the gear icon or the settings icon. Now guys, you want to locate rows under users and rows. Tap on it. Now over here you're going to notice there's already set up rows that Zoho Books has put together. So if you want to use the already made rows, you can just simply tap on edit, and then you want to go ahead with it. Just in case you want the same access but you want it to have different names and you want to change some things about a particular row, you can actually click on clone. Now go ahead and give it the new name that you want your row to be. Also, you want to give it a brand new description. Now guys, you want to go through the access granted. Remember, it's an already existing row, so all the access that was granted with the previous row is also granted here. You cloned it. Now you want to go ahead and check if there's something you don't want your row doing. You can remove it. If there's an access you don't want to grant to the new row that you're creating, you can remove it. And when you are done checking and you're happy with it, you want to tap on save at the bottom of your screen. And as you can see, our customer service role has been created. And just in case you don't want to clone, you want to go to the top of your screen and tap on new role. Now you want to go ahead and give it a name. Now you also want to give a brand new description for your role. Now you want to go ahead and check your access. You want to make sure that the access you want to grant these particular rows are all turned on. And remember, you are not cloning any row this time, so you really want to check so you are not leaving out what this row should be doing for you on Zoho Books. So when you do that, you want to check, you want to uncheck the ones you would not want the person in this row doing for you. And when you are done and satisfied with what you did, you want to go to the bottom of your screen and click on save for this new row to be created. And as you can see over here, the storekeeper role and our customer service role has been created. And guys, this is exactly how to set up roles in Zoho Books. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.